There are three angles: the superior angle, inferior angle, and the glenoid or lateral angle. Glenoid is a pear-shaped structure, pear-shaped cavity that is called glenoid cavity, that is covered also by the glenoid labrum. Above to this cavity there is a tubercle. This tubercle is called supraglenoid tubercle, and below to this cavity there is also a tubercle called infraglenoid tubercle. So there are three angles basically: inferior angle, superior angle, and the glenoid or lateral angle. After the angles there are three borders as well. This is the medial border, superior border, and the lateral border. Medial border, that is long and vertebral because it is close to vertebra, running from superior angle to inferior angle. Lateral border, that is axillary border, which is thick and lateral ridge of scapula basically because it close to axilla, running from glenoid angle to inferior angle. And lastly is the superior border, that is very short from superior angle to glenoid angle. At the base of the coracoid process on the superior border of scapula there is a notch. This is called suprascapular notch. Suprascapular notch through which the suprascapular structure passes.